Hello guys! Nandito na naman ang beshi niyo! Hello! Namiss niyo ba ako? Yan lang kayo. So, sasayaw tayo. Aray ko! In your happy animal, clap your hands. In your happy animal, clap your hands. In your happy animal, and you really want to go. When you're happy, no, clap your hands. Kayo. Kayo ko dyan. In your happy animal, clap your hands. Tuk, tuk. In your happy animal, clap your hands. In your happy animal, and you really want to go. And you're happy animal, clap your hands. In your happy animal, clap your cheek. Tick, 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 tick. In your happy animal, clap your cheek. If you're happy anymore, that's the reason why simple. And you're happy anymore, clap your cheek. Do your cheek. Ah! Ading ko ang cute. Kabagong ligo. Ako half day lang. In your happy animal, clap a day. In your happy animal, clap your hands. Guys. Wait lang.
Ako rin dito.
Wait, alis ka muna. Magpapalang.
Dito. Ako dito.
Ah? Hello, guys.
Min!
Aray ka.
Come on.
Ow!
Come on.
Itong ading ko nangunguli.
Ayaw ka sa vlog mo.
Uy! Mangga! Hindi!
Hindi mangga, papaya yan.
Uy, pahingi kasi hindi.
Bawal.
Patikman lang. Patikman.
Lawayan ko na eh.
Man lang eh.
De, matman.
Tingnan mo.
Lang.
Yan ko nga tinatago eh. Hanggat mo ah.
Baboy si Daddy.
Ito.
Baboy si Daddy.
Ito, bilis na. Yan.
Bye-bye.
Mamaya ulit, tulog muna ako. So guys, magising na kami. Kakagising lang namin, di ba Bambam? Cute-cute niya ng maading ko. 3 years old ang cute-cute. Natigyan niyo siya. Okay na yung Barbie ko. Ay, Barbie ko.
My baby.
Ay, Barbie ako, guys. Ang cute. Gusto niyo ng Barbie? Wait lang, picture na ako ng Barbie.
Baba.
Bye-bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Mag-comment kayo. Comment, subscribe, like and share, subscribe, and comment for more video. Bye! Thank you for watching!